Hi guys, I'm back again with another very exciting video and you are watching Vamsha Tech Box channel. So please like, share, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video, I will discuss about electric cars that what are the major components of an electric car and how you can distinguish electric cars from an ordinary car. So you can see that this is the diagram for an electric car and all its components are being labeled. So we will discuss all these components in detail, that what are these components and what they do and how we can distinguish these components from an ordinary car. The first component is the charge port. So the charge port provides the electric vehicle to connect to an external power supply so that the traction battery pack could be easily charged. The next component is the traction battery pack. So basically this stores the electrical energy and transfer this energy to the electric traction motor. Now we will discuss about electric traction motor. So electric traction motor uses the power which is supplied by the traction battery pack, and this motor drives the electric wheels. This way this car will be operating. So we have another battery which is known as auxiliary battery, and it's quite confusing that when we have an traction battery pack, then why there is a need of an auxiliary battery. So basically an auxiliary battery supplies energy to the electric vehicle accessory, while the traction battery pack supply the electrical energy to the electric traction motor. So this is the difference. We have another onboard charger. So basically it takes the incoming AC electricity supplied via the charge port and convert it into DC power for the charging the traction battery pack. It also communicate with the charging equipment, monitors battery characteristics such as voltage, current, temperature and state of charge while charging the pack. We have a DC converter. This device convert the high voltage DC power from the traction battery pack to low voltage DC power needed to run the vehicle accessories and recharge the auxiliary battery. We have power electronic controller as well, and this unit manages the flow of the electrical energy delivered by the traction battery to control the speed and torque of the electric traction motor. So this is the job of the power electronic controller. Now we will discuss about the thermal system cooling. So basically this system maintains the temperature so that there would be a proper operating temperature range for the engine, electric motor, power electronics and other all components which are inside the car. Now the next component is transmission. So basically transmission transferred the mechanical power from the electric traction motor to drive the wheel. So these were all the components of an electric car. Now we will discuss some of the basic difference between an electric car which distinguish it from a normal car. So the electric cars have electric motor, they don't have any sort of engine, while the normal cars have internal combustion engine. The electric cars have large traction battery pack, while the normal car have fuel tanks. The electric cars have charge port, so the ordinary cars have fuel port. Electric cars don't have any fuel system, that's why they don't have any exhaust pipe, while the normal car have an exhaust pipe, and in this way electric cars don't pollute our environment. So you got the idea about electric cars, that what are the electric car, what are the major components that an electric car possess and what these components are about and how you can distinguish electric car from an ordinary car. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope so you like my video.